Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video for the Bright to Be series, and in today's video I will be talking about 4 DIYs that I have been doing in the past, and also it's perfect for you guys who are like bright to be or just normally you guys want to take care of your skin. So yeah, I have been doing these for the past years. So yeah, I have been doing this for the past few years now and they have been working great for me. So I have shown you guys a face scrub, a face mask and 2 different DIY toners. And also I quickly want to mention, and this is really important, that do not use any of these DIYs without doing a patch test. It's very important to do a patch test. We don't know what can react to our skin. I know these are 100% real fruits or products, but
there are no fruits actually.
They're 100% organic products, but still they also can react. So just to be on the safer side, do a patch test. So the way I have kept the scrub, mask and everything will ensure that you have clearer skin, you have glowing skin, the skin is smooth, it's bright, and also it can remove tan, then you have tighter skin, you know. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have nothing on my face. I have washed my face with a face wash. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take warm water, lukewarm water, and dunk a nice face towel in it and then keep it on my face for like 30-40 seconds. What that will ensure is your pores are opened, your skin is ready for everything you're going to do next, and it also makes your skin really glowing. So here is my water. This is just normal plain lukewarm water, and I'll take this towel and I'll dunk it in. So I squeeze the rest of it and now I'm going to place it on my face. So as you guys saw, I'm pressing the towel in my skin like this very slightly. It will open up your pores, and when you use the scrub next, it's going to perform a lot better. See, I'll repeat it 3 to 4 times. Do not just completely dry out your face because we need to use the scrub as well. And now let's make the scrub.
So let's start making a coffee scrub. So here I have taken some ground coffee. It's very gritty and amazing for using it as a scrub. I got mine from Vizag. You can definitely get it from Amazon. You just need to go there and type ground coffee, you will get it. And so you can see this is much loved. I have poured a packet of it in this glass jar and kept it in freezer to keep it well. And so now I'm taking a tablespoon a tablespoon of it, and then I'll add some honey in it. So here is the honey, and also I have eyeballed everything, but basically it's like 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of coffee. It is a 2-ingredient scrub. You don't need anything else to make it. This is super easy and I love it. Like, I have a problem of whiteheads and blackheads. I hate it when it happens, but yeah, it happens, so I need to take care of them, and this is how I do it. So now I am going to mix them together, make it into a paste. It takes a bit of time to mix it well, but not too much, you know, like a minute or so, and then you will get a paste like consistency. Yeah, like this. Exactly right.
So here is our scrub ready to be used. So first I will apply it on my face as a mask, like how we apply a mask, and then I'll take just a bit of water or rose water and then massage it to my skin. This scrub gives an unreal glow. You can also use it on your lips. You can use it on your neck, but I'm not going to do it because it's going to make it more messier. So after you have scrubbed your face, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off. So now I'm done with my scrub. I have rinsed my face off with normal water and my face feels really nice and cleaned. So now the next step is our face mask and let's see how we can make it.
So our next thing, which is a face mask, is going to be a 4-ingredient face mask, and the main ingredient in here is oats. Make sure you make this mask 15 minutes before you are going to apply it, because then the oats goes like really gooey and sticky, and that kind of activates it. Like it's in my mind, but yeah, it does. So make it 15 minutes prior to usage. So I took 2 tablespoons of oats, which was a little bit extra, like I did not need so much, but yeah, I took 2 tablespoons. You can take 1 tablespoon as well if you're just making it for yourself. I gave the rest of it to my mom. Next, I'm going to take a tomato. This is great for brightening your skin. It removes tan. Like, this is the best thing that I can use to remove my tan, honestly. So yeah, this is a tomato. I'm trying to show it like in a very fancy way, but yeah, this is how I am cutting it. I'm just cutting the top part of it. This is a small tomato, keep that in mind. Okay, then I'm taking this thing. I don't know what it is called. I think this is a cake mixer, not cake mixer, sorry, I don't know what it is called, but yeah, I'm just scooping out the pulp from the tomato with the help of this thing. You can totally use a spoon for it. Just squeeze whatever you can get out from it. Yeah, that's the pulp and everything that I got from it.
Then you can totally give the khokla tomato to your mom. I'm sure she will put it in any of the sabzi. She can do it, trust me. और अगर घर में टमाटर कम हो और फिर भी तुमने ये लिया है तो गाली भी पड़ सकते हैं, पर फिर भी she will appreciate it.
So anyway, the third ingredient is going to be honey. Take a teaspoon, a tablespoon, whatever, eyeball it. The fourth and the final thing is this curd. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of it and mix it well. And yeah, the mask is ready.
So here is our face mask and now we can apply it, and now I'm gonna apply it on my face. No brushes are all needed, that's just like bougie stuff, you know. This mask is messy, but trust me, once you apply it on your face, you're gonna love it. You gotta apply this mask quite heavily on your skin. This mask makes the skin baby soft. So now that I have applied it on my face, I'm going to wait for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with again normal water. So I just removed it and my skin feels soft and it kind of looks filtered, you know. Honestly, I don't know how it is looking on the screen, but it looks filtered in person. So now as we are done with mask, I'm going to give you 2 options for face toners.
That piece of cucumber looks such a leftover piece, but trust me, it's not. I just chopped it off. Maybe my skills are not that good. So yeah, here I am making a cucumber toner. This is so great. Trust me, I think everyone has used it already. So I just have taken a small piece and now I am grating it. The water from the cucumber will come out naturally. You don't have to squeeze it or anything. Just grate it and keep it for 5 minutes. The water will come out really naturally. And this is how it looks after you have done grating it. This is super easy, like takes not even a minute. So quickly moving on to the second toner as well. I just took 1 tablespoon of water. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is from Bragg. You get it on Amazon. So it's like 50% water and 50% of ACV. Mix it well and the second toner is also done.
So now that you know how to prepare them, I'm going to tell you which one is for which skin type. So if you have sensitive skin, go for a cucumber face toner. You can obviously use a face toner that you have bought from market or anything. It's just, I'm just showing this for the people who wanna DIY a toner. So this is just the normal grated cucumber water that you're going to use as a toner. This soothes the skin. If you have sensitive skin, then obviously go for this one, but do a patch test first. So I'm going to apply it on one side of my face and the ACV on the other side. So I'm just going to take this small cotton pad. I'm going to press it into the water so that it soaks all the cucumber water, and I'm going to wipe my face with it. So now on the other side of my face, I am going to use the apple cider vinegar toner. This is great for people with acne prone skin. This dries up acne like no one's business. And also it provides an amazing glow to your skin. So I'm just going to do the same thing, soak up a cotton pad. It does have a tingling feeling to it, like it does have a tingling sensation to it when you use it on your face, but nothing bad. And a patch test is a must with this. Also, you might just feel that your eyes are burning for 1 or 2 seconds, but that's just normal with it. So I have just applied some lip balm, which is from Body Shop. It's not a DIY. So with that, we finish our second video in the Bride to Be series. Hope you guys have liked it, and hope you guys will enjoy doing it also. Please let me know in the comment section below what all videos you want to watch in this series, and I will make sure I do that. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care.